We'll compare two simple interest loan options to see which costs less. Here's the problem. You borrow $2,000. Option A charges simple interest at 6% per year for 3 years. Option B charges simple interest at 5% per year for 4 years. Find the total interest for each option and state which costs less. First, calculate the interest for option A using the formula I equals PRT. I equals 2,000 times 0.06 times 3, which equals $360. Now calculate the interest for option B. I equals 2,000 times 0.05 times 4, which equals $400. Option A costs $360 and option B costs $400, so option A costs less, the shorter term outweighs its higher rate. When comparing loans, always compute the total interest using I equals PRT, and remember that a shorter term can sometimes save you money even if the rate is higher.